everybody, I am Sabirbaewa Ayanat, participate of the forum by the section The Researcher Profession, and I want to show you my presentation. Financial analyst is an economic profession. Usually a specialist is an expert in market processes, able to use trend changes competently. The analyst calculates the possible risks and profitability for a certain player in the market. He is also engaged in investment consulting and securities valuation. The direct duties of the employee includes the position of financial management and the ability to use microeconomic and macroeconomic tools. Employees often indicate in the requirements that position of specialist programs is desirable. Financial analyst is a specialist who helps the manager manage the company's cash flows. It depends on his work how successful the company will be in the market. Its main task is to identify and calculate the most profitable ways of development for the company. To do this, a financial analyst collects, processes, and analyzes accounting and management accounting data and financial statements. He assesses the risks and potential benefits for each specific market offer, selects promising areas for investment, assesses the financial condition of the counterparty, the industry, or the market as a whole. He is able to find sources of profit and seize new niches for growth. He tracks trends in specific industries, global and stock markets, and works with securities. Based on the financial analysis of the company, the analyst makes a forecast and gives recommendations on where to move on and where to invest. This is a responsible position, and mistake can cost the company dearly. He has the standard responsibilities of a financial analyst, market analyst, and economic development trends of the industry, which includes his company, evaluation of the effectiveness of the management and financial condition of the company, estimate of financial risks of the company, the transaction of the company, maintenance and monitoring bids, tenders and tenders, work with accounting and financial reporting, preparation of recommendations and forecasts of economic developments of the company, search for sound investment decisions, increase efficiency and create competitive advantages. Pluses: salary above average, demand in the labor market, the opportunity to work abroad, broad career prospects, ample opportunities for development and professional development. Minuses: monotonous work with numbers, high responsibility when working with financial assets, irregular working hours during reporting periods, stress. To know: economic theory, fundamentals of micro and macroeconomics, financial and managerial accounting, domestic and foreign financial reporting standards, commercial and business law, taxation, customs law, methods of analysis and statistics, mechanisms of markets, financial management English. Be able to analyze the financial condition and risks of companies, design new financial instruments and services, and evaluate their fair value, analyze sources of capital for financing companies, evaluate the value of intellectual capital, build investment strategies that justify the effectiveness of the company's investment policy, work with large amounts of data, manage the portfolio of assets and liabilities of the company. In many companies, there is a gradation from a junior employee to the head of the direction. Accordingly, even when applying for an initial position, you can gradually achieve an increase. Career growth in the profession follows a trajectory. Financial analyst, head of the financial direction, commercial finance, budgeting and planning department, controlling department, head of the several directions, finance director. Each stage usually takes 3 years. The first year is training. In the second, you are already starting to give the company some value. The third one is polishing. The area for which you are responsible. As a rule, in the third year, you are already ready to take projects from other directions. This allows you to move organically to the next level. At the same time, a career can develop not only vertically but also horizontally. A financial analyst can successfully transform into economist, corporate treasurer, investment financial analyst, investment manager, financial or stock market analyst, trader, credit analyst, financial advisor, appraiser, auditor, risk manager, economic security specialist, compliance manager. In conclusion, I want to summarize with the word by Oscar Wilde: the best way to appreciate your job is to imagine yourself without one.